Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, another sofa set I'm showing you. This one is in fact not a sofa, it's a couch set, and the design is given by the client. He wanted something like this, and it's a 3 plus 2, 5-seater set along with a big table and two side tables. I'll show you later. The similar concept dining I've shown you in the previous video, and this one is also going to Pune for the same client. The concept is same with the white finishing, the white paint, and multiple color highlighting as you see here. This is a low height unit. Low height means the back portion. If you see, there is no Taj as such that we generally have in our regular sets. It's a quite flowing and simple design at the back. The back height is 40 inches, 40. 40 inches till this point. And then the curve that you see here. This is a couch design and nice subtle design from the top with a nice carving at the bottom. You can see the legs in the shape of a swan here, and multiple color highlighting is giving the unit a different look that anybody would love to have in their home. These kind of floral designs looks really good when you have a real colorful theme in your place. And the design as such, as you're looking at, is good as well as the client's choice in itself. He gave us a picture, a catalog image, a software generated image, and we transformed that to reality here. Friends, when I talk about the catalog images, I like to clarify here. What happens is you see a lot of pictures, a lot of images on internet, on different websites, on different portals. And these are generally complete images with the kind of nice flooring and carpets, chandeliers, vases, and the sunlight coming in here and the shadow here. Honestly telling you, these are not real images. These are catalog images. The set I'm showing you is a real set. We do have a few images like that on our website also, but we have actual stuff also. We are close to 500 videos now, and anybody who has made so much stuff, so much actual videos, obviously should have the stuff also. And we have delivered across the globe. You can go to our website and check the testimonial section. You can go to Google and check our reviews, and you can see how much stuff we have made and delivered across the globe to different countries, different areas, and everywhere in India. About this set, as you see, it has got a 3-seater and a 2-seater. The 3-seater outer size is 7 feet. So left to right, it would cover 7 feet area. Front to back it is 28. The back height till this point is 40 inches. The 2-seater out and out is 65, and rest remains the same, 40 and 28. Now, why don't we have a single seater for this? See, generally when you have these kind of flowing designs, a single seater gets too narrow to occupy the actual design. So if you're going for a small single seater, the actual design is quite compromised. So single seaters are generally not recommended in these kind of designs. But if you want, that can also be created. But it would be almost like a 2-seater with the flowing handles outside, as you can see on both sides. About the fabric, it is the client's choice again. If you want some other color, lighter shades, plain fabric, or some floral patterns, that can also be done as per your choice. This one is going to Pune. And the design, the comfort, and single seat without the separate cushion seats. It has got a single seat as the client wanted. The coloring part, as you see here, if you want some other colors, that can also be done as per your requirement. We make personalized furniture as per what you like, just like this one. Everything, the design, the colors, the fabrics is client's choice. He visited our facility. I'm really thankful for to the client who visited us and has given the order to create something like this for him. Now I'll show you the table for this set. This is the table for this set. A little bigger than the usual sizes. This is 4 by 3, 4 feet by 3 feet with a plain top. And the design is again matching the aura of the set that you see there. The same multiple color theme. And similar to this, we have the side tables, 20 inches square. 20 inches is a good size for a side table. Generally, bigger tables work with the bigger sets. But for this kind of set, this is quite good enough, the setup we have. If you want to increase the number of seats, that can be done. If you want to add some chairs or some other settee like kind of thing, that can also be done. Another main advantage for these kind of units, if you have a French door or a window on the sides, or if you have something like a glass window on the back, generally the high back sets, the 48 inches or the 54 inches one, covers a lot of area at the back wall. In those cases, if you have these kind of low back sets, the back is quite visible, it's quite open at the back, so the view is not blocked. This is the main benefit for these kind of sets. And again, it doesn't have the Maharaja look, the regular concept that we have, the Victorian Maharaja concept that we offer in most of our designs. If you have something like this, if you want something like this, or a design something like this, you can contact us and be happy to design it for you. Any design you pick from the internet that has got carving. These days we are making a lot of stuff from the Italy designs, from the Egypt one, from the Turkish designs, because we are getting requests from all over the globe, and people are picking the designs from anywhere, and we are transforming them to reality over here. The quality of artisan, the hard work of our artisans, the fine work of our master artisans, and all handwork. This is no machine work, no CNC. Hope you like this. I request you for a few comments of yours. Let us know how we are doing. And if you have some comments, have some suggestions, you are most welcome. Please, I'll be happy to have some comments from you. Thank you so much.